Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration section. Here you'll see media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volume level you should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these blue dots on the edge of the volume panel. Here we got to use volume buttons to adjust section. Now we have selected the media, and with the help of the volume buttons we will change the media. We could switch it to the ringtone to change the phone ringtone. Here we got vibration for incoming calls, vibration for notifications option, don't disturb mode, media section. Here we could pin media player and show media recommendations with the help of the switchers. Let's go back. Here we could change phone, notification and alarm ringtones. And to activate or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, screen capture, touch vibrations when the other party answers hands up. And just to turn on or turn off all of these options, we should use the switchers. And here also we got the ear customized sound effects. Here we could also switch these options. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.